In this video, we will show you a new feature for the GPT Connect platform. Presenting the AI Reply Suggestion. The AI Reply Suggestion makes use of ChatGPT inside the platform inbox to generate a response to your customer. The AI will analyze the conversation between the customer and your business and generate the best answer possible based on your OpenAI prompt. This new feature helps live agents to respond faster. This feature is perfect for businesses with active live agents on board. There are instances that user conversations are transferred to human agents, and this is where AI reply suggestions can be best utilized. Now, businesses will have the option to go fully OpenAI optimized or a hybrid of human and OpenAI interaction. AI reply suggestions will still depend on the prompt you've provided for your OpenAI integration. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Got questions or need support? Our amazing help support team is here for you. You'll find our support hotline in the description box below. Thanks for choosing GPT Connect.